Hi, to look gallery on your Vivo V40, as a first step we need to go in the settings and here select the privacy tab. After that, scroll till the end and you will see this section app encryption. So here, as you can see, I have already set up password, so I cannot show you this from the beginning, but if I just go in this option forget password, you will see how it will look in your case when you first set up this feature. So you'll have these two questions. In case if you forgot your just password, you will need to answer one of these two questions. So here, enter the name of your primary school and name of your best friend in childhood. Just enter such information, tap the OK button, and now you would see this tab. You would need to create password. You can go in the password options, select pattern 4-digit or custom password. Let's select 4-digit. And here just enter the password. Now we need to verify it, and after that we can see this app lock time, so we need to enable albums like that. And here you can see that 1 minute after the screen is locked or app is closed. So now when we will try to open album, it will require our password, so we need to enter it, and now album opens. Then that's it, how it works. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.